Wait lang, Bray, wait. Rylon! Wait lang, Bray.
Sian. Bob, first time. First time. I'm a son. One was gonna be Emily.
Okay, you have to be careful, ha? Be careful. How about the person
Nico, close your eyes. Bye-bye ka na. Say bye-bye, guys. Your shoes! Nico, your shoes! Hanap mo. Huwag tayo mag-shoes. Oh? Nico, aircon na. Ba't pawis na pawis ka? Takbandak mo. Halika na, halika na. Saan? Bukas uli. Tuta tayo kay teacher. Asama si teacher? Love mo si teacher? Gusto mo isa pa? Tara, tara. Babalik na lang tayo. Papait lang tayo damit. Ano? Oh, sige. Inom ka muna. Sama teacher. Sapa? Wala ka na. Baby house. Na. Anong sa face? Ivan. I know that one, the red one. Yan. Nico. Mimi.
You have to put on your shoes first.
Wow! May good job ka? Oh, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Saan si Nico? Bye-bye, classmate. Saan si Nico? Ah, naglalagay ng shoes niya. Ayun, nalagay niya yung shoes niya.
Ikaw niya?
Ang galing. Nilalagay yung shoes niya. Wow! Nico! Nilalagay yung shoes niya. Wow! Ang sabihin. Bye-bye, teacher. Say bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher. Oh, it's okay. Ay!
Anak, kunin mo yung shoes mo. Mag-choose ka na. Mag-choose ka na. Dali, kunin mo yung shoes mo. Black. Kunin mo yung shoes.
Nasaan shoes ni Nico? Nico, shoes mo.
May bagong tagabantay ang ate.
Thank you po. Sige. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, teacher. Ay, nandiyan ka na pala. Mama. Bye-bye, Jamie. Bye-bye, Maddie. Nico! Wow! Nico, tingin. Wow!